So I just uploaded my video last night, and I've been trying to upload that video for like a week now, and I don't know if it was on my end or YouTube's end, but regardless, the video went up. So I'm excited about that. And in the comments, I've already had a few people ask me if I would do a day in the life with two under the age of 2. I guess you guys want to see, you know, the insanity that is my life now. Just kidding. It's really not that bad. So I will do that once I can gauge, like, if the kids are really going to stay on the schedule that they've been on currently. But I decided that I would just put up a sort of half of the day in the life. You okay? Hey, I'm talking to you. So Steven just got off of work. It is 4:51 currently, and we need to run to Target to get a few things for the house. We're hosting a few people for a few days at our house, so I wanted to have some things for them. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. It's nothing really exciting, so I thought I would just kind of vlog our trip to Target and our little grocery haul, and possibly what I'm making for dinner, and kind of, you know, show you the kids and this guy over here. I guess he can make a special appearance. And so yeah, so right now we're currently in the Starbucks line because, well, duh. And that's about it for now, so I will catch you guys in a bit.
What's the matter?
Probably gonna squirt it everywhere. So now I'm gonna make chili chicken. I first saw this recipe on Cook with April. She now has a vlog channel. I'm sure you guys all know April and Justin TV. And so for this recipe, you can have it with anything, but I'm gonna make some white rice. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You need some cornstarch, some sriracha, some soy sauce, some vinegar, some chilies. She used Thai chilies. I can never find those, so I'm using serranos and an onion. So let's get started. So I added 1.5 cups of rice and 3 cups of water and set that to boil. Once it boiled, I lowered the heat and covered it. That's cornstarch. Into it I'm adding some pepper and some salt, and then 2 eggs into the mixture. Now you're just going to mix that all up and get rid of all the clumps. Then you're going to add soy sauce and mix again until it's all fully incorporated. set that aside and cut up your chicken. I cut it in bite-sized pieces, but you can cut it however big or small as you would like. Then just add some oil to a pan, let it get hot, and add your chicken. This will cook pretty quickly, so don't walk away. Go ahead and flip them over once they kind of get brown and golden. And then you're gonna put them aside in a separate bowl or Tupperware. To that same oil, you're gonna add your chopped onions and your chilies. I use serranos, and kind of just let that all saute and get nice and soft. Then you add some sriracha to that, however much you would like, and then mix that all up. Once that's done, you're going to add your chicken back to the pan and incorporate everything nice and mixed together, the onions, the chicken, and the chilies. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and add some vinegar. And then a little bit of water to kind of dilute that. And then to thicken up the sauce, some cornstarch mixed with water. And again, mix, 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 mix. As you can see, it's starting to get thicker. I added a little bit of salt, mixed, and then I was done. Fluff up your rice with a fork. It really does make a difference. And there it is, guys, chili chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so good. So we just finished dinner. Babe, what do you think of it? It was good. It was, I didn't think it was like super spicy. It hit me toward the end. It was pretty spicy. You guys saw the amount of jalapeno, well, there were serrano peppers that I put in there, and then I put sriracha too. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how spicy do you think it was?
I mean, it was like a 7.
Like a 7. So now Lainey's finishing her meal. She's there, and while she's contained, I am eating a Tim Tam. Usually we do Tim Tam slams, but I don't have time for all that. So yeah, probably gonna let Lainey run around and get some energy out before bed, give her a bath, and as you can tell, Nathan is being fed by Daddy, and we're just watching some ridiculousness. So yeah. Sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky. Ew, stinky. 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 Oh. 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 Yeah, Stinky. Oh. 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 Hi guys, so my phone had too many pictures of the kiddos on there for me to finish recording. I don't even know where to look right now. But anyways, so I had to delete some things. So you guys, the only thing you didn't get to see was me reading Elaina a book and saying our prayers and then just putting her to bed. And then I came back downstairs and Steven cleaned the kitchen and I cleaned up all the toys and stuff for the day. And then now this little guy is being fed by Daddy. Steven is covered up because, well, you know, let's just put it out there. It's just too sexy for all the world to see, right, babe? Yeah? Yeah? There's too much. If I was good at editing, I would put in too sexy for my whatever. So anyways, I didn't want to just end the vlog like that. So I don't want to do daily vlogs right now. I don't even think that I could. I know that I couldn't daily vlog. It's too much work. But I did want to ask what the pit and peak of your day was.
You had to wake up early and go to work.
That's your pit?
Yeah.
And then what's your peak?
Got to come home and see my wife and my babies.
My pit, honestly, I don't think I had a pit today, which I guess isn't necessarily a bad thing. Yeah, I don't think I have a pit today. That's not to say that tomorrow I won't. But my peak was just spending the day as a family, doing normal things, going grocery shopping and, you know, making dinner. Our lives can get so consumed and so busy with everything else that we have committed to that it's nice to take days like today. Mondays are usually our days to do this and just take care of the kids, wait for Steven to get home. Why'd you move out of the frame, honey?
Yes, he's done.
And just do our daily things, clean and cook and take care of the kids. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, good. I hope you guys enjoyed this sort of kind of day in the life, and we will talk to you guys later. Let's say goodnight to little baby Nathan. Oh, say goodnight, buddy. Oh, what says stink face? Good night. Say we love you guys. See you later. If you guys like this video, then subscribe. Whoa, excuse you, mister. That was rude. If you like to see these chubby cheeks, hit the like button and subscribe. Good night. Say good night. Say good night. Say good night.
Oh. Got your tongue.
Bye, guys.